for the covering painting, but it's for the like, it's like the cover. I mean the like cover of the window. You know already. You know. He puts it in, and you saw it. Okay, so it's important, right? Turn on. Time for the baby fountain. Let's see if we get inside. Guys, there's a tunnel. And wait. Guys, wait. Back up, guys. But here. Okay, so I'm gonna go back. No, it's getting off. Okay. You can do what types of things you can do here, like relax the music, or just change them, or you can change the sides again. And that's all for today. Bye bye, and I will leave you there.